I'm continuing a core crunching series, and what I'm doing is setting the swing for low inversions, so the center of it is just above my knees, and I'm going to add the side loops, and I'm going to take the side loops one above the swing on the daisy chain. If you're a little taller or you want to work even harder, then take it two above. Okay, here we go. Into the inversion. I like this series because it combines my core with my upper body, particularly the back and the biceps. Getting comfy in my inversion. Hands down on the ground. One leg at a time for beginners. Both legs at a time if you're more advanced. And legs go in front. Okay. So I'm going to go up into what we call tight jeans. I'm going to slide my legs all the way up so it feels like you're wearing the tightest pair of jeans you could ever get on your body. And then I'm going to open up this fabric and try to just get my hand through. That alone can be a little challenging. Pull them down as well as you can. Alrighty, so I've got them as handles, and I've got my thumb outside. I'm going to keep my arms straight up. In other words, I'm not bending my elbows towards my body. I'm going to keep my elbows straight up to the sky. I'm doing bicep curls and crunches. I'm going to do two more. And this time I'm going to hold it up there. Little pulses are nice. Oh yeah. Excellent. This is also a nice position for doing a little upper body work. So I just pull my elbows out to the side and pull myself up, crunching. Upper back, rear deltoid, rhomboids. And one more. Excellent. I'm still holding on. Lowering myself down slowly is a challenge all by itself. I'm going to hook my elbows through the fabric. Then I'm going to take my hands behind my head. But it's not going to stay there for too long because this is a very nice place to rest. I'm going to punch my knuckles toward the back wall, if there is one, or behind my head. Exhale, lift. Oh, yeah. And one more time. Those are so fun. Coming on down. This is actually a nice place to get a little bit of a back bend or a shoulder stand. Oh. Back to tight jeans to get out. Ease on down. Oh. Now that created a lot of tension in my legs, so I'm just going to press my legs open. Get a nice stretch. Open the legs, reach up, come up slowly using a little elbow grease around the fabric, slide the fabric up into my upper body, give myself a lovely abdominal stretch. that, my friends,